Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering paper 2 of year 2022. Question number 7a is a compressor cascade has the following data. Velocity of air at entry 75 meter per second, air angle at entry 48 degree, air angle at exit 25 degree, pitch chord ratio 1.1, stagnation pressure loss 11 meter of air column, density of air 1.25 kilogram per meter cube. Determine the actual pressure recovery coefficient and maximum diffuser efficiency. So C1 is equal to 75 meter per second. So C1 is absolute velocity at inlet. And in case of axial compressor with 50% degree of reaction, we are assuming that the degree of reaction is 50%. So this angle alpha 1 absolute velocity angle at entry will be equal to blade angle or air angle at outlet. Alpha 1 is equal to beta 2, that is given as 25 degrees. Air angle at outlet is known, that is 25 degrees. And air angle at inlet is given as 48, so that is equal to alpha 2. Beta 1 is equal to alpha 2. Beta 1 is given, so beta 1 is equal to alpha 2 in 50% degree of reaction. And relative velocity at inlet is equal to absolute velocity at exit, and relative absolute velocity at inlet is equal to relative velocity at exit. So V2 is equal to C1 and V1 is equal to C2. Okay, so CW from this data, these data are given. This is C1, this is beta 1, this is beta 2. Okay, so we have used only these data up till now. So now CW1 is 75 sin 25. CW1 is C1 sin 25, that is 31.69 meter per second, and CF1 is 75 cos 25, that is 67.973 meter per second, and V1 cos beta 1 is this CF1, so that is 67.973 meter per second, and V1 is equal to 101.58 meter per second. Okay, because we have found from C1 and this alpha 1, CW1 and CF1. Okay, CF1 from this diagram is equal to V1 cos beta 1. So CF1 is known now and beta 1 is known, so we can calculate V1. So that is V1, and that V1 is equal to C2, and this now C2 is known and alpha 2 is known. Alpha 2 is equal to beta 1, so we can write C2 is equal to sine alpha 2 or beta 1, same thing. So that is 48. So CW2 comes out as 91.46 meter per second. Okay. So now actual pressure loss coefficient is given by stagnation pressure loss divided by dynamic pressure, that is half rho V1 square. And stagnation pressure loss is given as 11 meter of head of air. So 11 meter into rho into G. Rho GH is pressure. Rho is 1.25. Density is given as 1.25. Stagnation pressure loss is 11 meter. And this is H, this is G. Okay, so actual pressure loss coefficient comes out as 0.02091, but we have to calculate actual pressure recovery coefficient, so that is 1 minus those, so that is 0.97908. Okay, so next question is maximum diffuser efficiency, that is Vmax minus V2 by V1. So Vmax is the formula for Vmax is V1 plus 0.5 change in bulk compressor into S by C, pitch to chord ratio, that is 1.1, and CW, change in CW is this quantity. Okay, and V1 is 101.58. V2 we have also calculated. V2 is here. V2 is equal to C1. Okay, V2 is equal to C1 and V1 is equal to C2. So now we have all this. Putting this value we can calculate Vmax also. So maximum diffuser efficiency comes as 0.5852 or 58.52%. Okay. So these are the formula based questions basically. You have to remember the formula for actual pressure loss coefficient and maximum diffuser efficiency. Okay.